Hi all, welcome to OET Speaking and Writing. Today we can discuss an OET roleplay. Here is the card for you. You are the head nurse at Mayo Skin Care Clinic. A patient has come in with a skin complaint. The condition is noted to be rosacea and the patient is very anxious to have been told about this. The doctor at the clinic has sent him or her to you for further instructions, which you will discuss with the patient now. The task is explain it to him or her that there is really no permanent treatment for rosacea, but it can be easily controlled. Second one, explain to him or her how and when to apply the face cream and how it can reduce redness and make him or her look normal. Third one, explain that there will be no side effects from the face cream or the tablet. Fourth one, advise him or her to make some changes to his or her diet as well. Here the setting is a clinic, so we can start our introduction by saying, "Good morning, please have your seat. My name is Sarah. I am a head nurse working in this clinic. How may I address you?" Here we can assume the patient name is Miss Maria. Then we can continue by saying, "Miss Maria, how can I help you?" Or you can start the introduction by saying, "Miss Maria, I have your notes with me and I understand you have undergone an examination by the doctor and now you are here for the further instructions. Is that right?" Then the patient might say, "Yes, sister, I have got a skin infection called rosacea. I'm really worried because of the pimples and this redness because I'm a college going student." That time, as per our first task, we can reassure the patient. How can we reassure the patient? "Alright, Miss Maria, I can understand it must be really embarrassing, especially you are a college going student. But try not to worry. This redness is very common in people who are very fair." Then probably the patient might say you, "Sister, is there any treatment for this condition?" Then you can continue by saying, you can say, "Miss Maria, I can sense your anxiety. Let me assure you that this is a common problem in young students and we have successfully treated many cases like this. One thing I would like to tell you that there is no permanent treatment for this redness, but you can control further occurrence of symptoms. Try not to worry. They will definitely go off if you follow our instructions. Is that clear?" Then the patient may ask, "Sister, how can I control these symptoms? Could you please explain more about that?" Then you can say, "Miss Maria, it can be well controlled with face cream and the tablet. Also, you need to focus on some dietary modifications in your life. Is that clear?" Then that time, as per the interlocutor card, the patient may ask you the questions like how and when to apply face cream. Is there any side effects for applying this? Then you can say, "It's really important to use face cream or sunscreen lotion when you go outside, and it is also recommended that do not get exposed to sun when it is very hot." Is that clear? Then regarding the side effect, you can say, "Miss Maria, there is no chance of any side effect as long as you taken them as suggested." Then as per the interlocutor card, patient may ask you questions like, "Could you please explain about the dietary modification which I need to change in my life?" Or you can ask questions like, "Could you please explain about your dietary habit?" Then the patient will say his or her dietary pattern. If the patient is not taking a well balanced diet, you can tell the patient like this way, "Alright, Miss Maria, if you follow some dietary modification which will really help you to control this problem. For that, it's really important to avoid spicy food, dairy products, alcohol, smoking, because all these may trigger rosacea. Small changes in your diet can really help you a lot. Do you think you can able to do that?" The probably patient might say yes. Then you can tell the patient, Please make sure you take prescribed medication for a couple of weeks and face cream and use the face cream as suggested. Also do some dietary modifications. Once again, I assure you that if you follow our instructions, you will be all right and your problem will get subsided. Do you have any other concerns? Like that way you can wind up the conversation. If the patient has no other concerns, then you can say, if you need any more help or if you have any other concerns, you can contact me at any time. This is my number. Thank you, Miss Maria. Get well soon. Or you can say, I hope I have cleared all your doubts. If you need any more help, you can just call me at any time. This is my number. Thank you, Miss Maria. Get well soon.